Hikari and I are camping this weekend with my parents, and it's been a 50-50, right?
What do you mean 50-50?
Like 50% good, 50% bad?
I like 80%. I think 80% good and 20% bad.
So you're saying the 20% was just total complete?
Kind of.
Oh my gosh. It's probably due to the fact that we weren't able to fish today.
Because we picked up the wrong reel.
Yeah, because it's not real enough. Get it? Knee slapper. Classic dad joke. It's so funny that you end up slapping your knee. Classic dad joke. Anyway, we're headed back to the campsite. It's already 7:43 p.m.
I really like this area. It's like, I thought all of Washington was gonna be like, you know, forest and greens and wet and brown. But this part of Washington is actually like desert.
Yeah.
And the mountains are like bald.
She likes bald mountains, apparently.
I like bald mountains.
Okay.
This is new to me.
We gotta get some firewood, so
Yeah.
peace.
Peace. Michael.
You're a movie star. You're a movie star. You're a movie star.
My job done.
What? You just toss it in like that? Come on, set it up for everybody.
Okay.
Here, go take off your Berkeys. Oh. Okay, make sure you and me get the newer sleeping bags, and that mom and dad get the old ones. Nice. Wait, you and me are sleeping over here?
Yeah.
We'll sleep on this side.
Where?
Because the sun.
I already.
Fix it. Fix it with magic. 3, 2, 1, go. You good?
Done.
High five.
Ta-da!
You did it in, that's right, a million years. A million years later, and then the whole thing's set up. I want to join you. Whoa, dude, we're camping!
Yeah.
Camping! Camping? 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 I want to give people the view of what it's like when we're sleeping. What was that? Was that you?
No, that's you.
No way.
Mine's like
This is what we will look
No,
like
no,
from a POV
And
perspective
sound
of how I'm sleeping in the tent.
Is everything okay, Michael?
It's on the curtains.
Ew!
Let's go where? Let me see. Really? Oh gosh, that's a fresh pile. Want something cute? What is that? So manly. You a Yankee? Huh. I don't know if it's in focus, but I'm hot. It's like we've been walking in the Sahara Desert.
Yeah.
Oh, someone's vape pen.
Huh?
Whose is this? It's disgusting. This is a random stranger's vape pen that they left here. It's disgusting. Now I have to wash my hands. I'm not wearing a mask. Right over here, guys. Take a picture. No, are you kidding me? No.
Serasa I'm look like skinny because you're on my side.
Do the beach body workout.
Bro, I know. No P90X. I have